2, 1, time for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Let's make some number blocks. Oh, here comes number block 5 and number block 1. Hello.
5 plus 1 equals 6.
Oh, hello 6. Let's make number block 6.
What do we need?
We need 6 squares for her body, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 2 legs, 2 arms, 6 dots, and of course, numbering 6 to pop on top. Let's roll.
How do we make 6?
First, we make the body. Roll a large piece of purple Play-Doh compound into a ball. Then, push the Play-Doh compound down onto the surface you're working on to make 4 flat sides, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flatten the top and the bottom to make a cube with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to make 5 more blocks for 6's body. Let's do this 5 more times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's right. Next we need 2 eyes. The eyes are made up of 3 different colours: white, black, and red. Roll the small ball of white Play-Doh compound. Then, flatten it with your thumb. Roll the smaller ball of black Play-Doh compound, flatten it, and press it onto the middle of the white Play-Doh ball. Now, take the red Play-Doh compound and flatten it with your thumb. Then carefully place the eye on top. Ta-da! 1 eye! Then roll another piece of red Play-Doh into a snake and cut it into 3 pieces. Place that carefully on the top of the eye. Now we need to do that all again to make the other eye. Next, we need 1 mouth. Make a long snake out of the red Play-Doh compound. Fold it in half and pinch it at both ends. There we have it! 1 smiley mouth for number block 6. Next, we need 2 little legs. Take a medium piece of red Play-Doh compound and roll it into a slithery snake. Cut the snake in half to make 2 snakes. There, 2 legs. 1, 2. Now let's make the arms. To make the arms, just repeat what you did for the legs. Roll your Play-Doh compound into a snake and cut it in half. 2 arms. 1, 2. Let's make number block 6's dotty dots. Take 6 small balls of blue compound and press them firmly to make 6 circles. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's right! Finally, we need the numbering. Roll a ball of black Play-Doh compound into a long snake. Start with a curve, round with a swish. That's the way to make a 6. There! All the things we need for number block 6. 6 blocks, 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 arms, 6 dots, 1 mouth, and numbering 6. We place the blocks all together, so that they are 2 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. We place a spot on the top of each block. We place the eyes and the mouth onto the top 2 blocks. Then we fix the arms onto both the sides, the left and the right, and fix the little legs underneath. What are we missing? Oh yes, of course! Here she comes now.
We made Numberblocks!
Woo!
Number 6 wants to roll her name. She grabs a dice to play the game. She rolls a 1. She rolls a 2. That's not her name. That will not do. She rolls a 3. She rolls a 4. That's not her name. She rolls once more. She rolls a 5. She rolls a 6. Yes, that's her name. This girl's got tricks.
No!